Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change notification sound on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And settings, go to sounds and vibration. And sounds and vibration, okay, you can see the notification sounds. And okay guys, to change the notification sounds, you'll have to do is tap the notification sounds. And here in notification sounds, there are options here, okay, the SIM 1 and the SIM 2. And okay guys, I decide to change the SIM 1 for my example. So okay, tap the SIM 1. And now here you can see the option. And okay, you can select one of this ringtone to set into your SIM 1. Okay, I select the LUTs. Okay, tap the LUTs. And after you select the notification sounds, okay, go back and that's it. We have successfully changed the notification sounds on my Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.